guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope everybody had a fantastic day of trading today. As you can see here, the portfolio did quite nicely again today, in the green, up 0.47%, 556 during normal hours trading, with a little bit extra in after hours trading as well, 0.12%, 128.41. And as you can see from my graph here, started the day off very poorly, down 723.23 at one point. This is all due to my investment in Prospect Capital, PSEC, as I talked about in my last couple of videos. Did rebound a bit, and there was also very strong performance once again from Portola. And as I scroll through my portfolio, you can see not only Portola up, but most of my pharmaceuticals in the green today. Eli Lilly and Company was down a bit, but ABBV up 0.57%, Pfizer up 0.21%, and as I said, Portola, another very strong day here, up 1.07%. And as I continue to scroll through my portfolio, you can see here quite a bit of stocks in the green. Overall, all three major indices were in the green. The S&P 500 was up 0.08%, the NASDAQ was up 0.30%, and the Dow 30 was up 57 points, 0.26%. And as I scroll to the bottom of my portfolio, where I have my business development companies and closed-end funds, you can see PSEC here down 1.68%, but again, during the pre-market trading session, at one point down 4.12%. So luckily that did come back a bit here, but still down quite a bit over the last month here, 15.89%. I bought in probably around here, 780, 770. So definitely have lost quite a bit here, 13% or so. So not a very good trade. And we can see that on the bottom here as well. August 11th did 125 shares, 784. So just under $980 for that particular trade. So lost quite a bit of money with that trade. That was an impulse buy. Lesson learned on that type of trading. And then overall, I kind of want to get back into doing some day and swing trading. As you guys know, I don't necessarily like to do large amounts with penny stocks. I have done some penny stock trading. I'm starting to do a little bit more of that. Last week I did a few trades. I'm expecting to do some more trades as I have some more free time this next few weeks to months. I don't like doing high value penny stock trades, but I do enjoy doing high value blue chip day and swing trades. As you guys know, I've done a lot of trades with Ford here, but unfortunately I have quite a bit of capital now in Ford, looking to hold this for the longer term. And I'm also looking to hold this for qualified dividends as well as the long-term capital gains for those tax advantages. So I don't really want to necessarily continue doing day and swing trading with Ford. As you guys know, there's only one accounting method that Robinhood uses, unlike the other brokerage accounts that breaks down every buy order into an individual tax lot. You can't really do that on Robinhood. It's always first in, first out, no matter what you specify. I've contacted Robinhood about this. They will not change that. Other brokerage accounts, you can definitely change that, where you can do a last in, first out type of method. So you always have some longer term holds in your portfolio to get, again, those nice tax advantages from the preferred dividends, qualified dividends, as well as the long-term capital gains. You can't do that on Robinhood. So I'm kind of looking to shy away from doing any more day and swing trading with Ford, but I'm looking for some other great blue chip type penny stocks that I can trade. And I say blue chip type penny stocks because Ford, for example, I would consider a blue chip company. Yes, the automotive industry overall has been trending down a bit here, but this is a very good long-term buy, and it's fairly cheap as well, $10.87. Yes, a little bit higher than penny stocks, but you can buy quite a few shares of this particular company and not have to worry about holding or getting rid of this in the short term. You can hold this for the long term. You don't necessarily have to worry that if it's trending down, you have to get out of the stock and lose money on a trade like you would with a penny stock, as most penny stocks over time continue to degrade their value and then at some point are delisted from the stock market. Blue chip penny stock is what I'm calling this. Ford, really don't have to have any worry about that. You buy the stock, if it trends down for a bit here, and even like, for example, the 5-year graph. Let's say you bought in at $14, $15. This whole trend down here, hold it for another 5 years, and I guarantee you this is going to be above $15, $14, $15. And in that time, you also have the very nice dividend payment right here, 4.946%, which with the trend down in price is actually about 5.2%. So I'm looking for another type of stock like Ford. If you guys have any great ideas, let me know. I've been looking for quite some time narrowed down a few choices, but haven't really done any day and swing trading with those choices yet. And I might do a video detailing exactly what stocks I'm taking a look at. But if you guys have any good stocks that are blue chip stocks that are fairly low price, so you can jump in with quite a few shares, please let me know. I'm definitely looking for another stock to add to the portfolio to do some day and swing trading and not have to worry about necessarily qualifying dividends for my forward dividend payments, as well as long-term capital gains. If I want to jump out of forward, unfortunately right now, because I've done a lot of day and swing trading, I'm always going to be subject to short-term capital gains, which are very, very high. I could be saving up to 20% if I get those dividends and get the stock qualified for long-term capital gains. So I'm looking at a few different stocks. Likewise with Portola, I've done a lot of day and swing trading with Portola. Unfortunately now, I'm looking at getting rid of this stock within the next year. So I think I've held this stock the longest term, probably about 6 months or so. About half of the holdings here, the other half probably 2 months or so. So don't necessarily want to keep resetting the date for the shares with Portola by doing day and swing trading. I'm looking to get out of those trades as well, but my Portola and Ford trades have been very, very profitable. Looking for another company to do that. So if you have any good ideas, please let me know. Been looking a while, have not found anything quite as productive as Ford. Ford's by far been the best stock in the portfolio, but if you guys have any good, great ideas, let me know. I really want to solicit some opinions on that. If you guys have any great stocks, you've been also day and swing trading like I've been doing with Ford, but it isn't technically a penny stock. A stock that has very poor fundamentals, that has a lot of trading activity just because it's considered a penny stock, and there's a lot of folks trying to jump on board with some momentum trading, trying to time the market. Don't really want to get into that type of stock. Want to get into a stock like Ford where if I can't get out of a day swing trade, I'm more than happy holding it for the long term. So if you have any great ideas, again, let me know. Very, very interested in finding another stock like Ford. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And again, any great ideas for another Ford replacement type of stock, a blue chip stock that's low price like a penny stock, which I kind of termed a blue chip penny stock. That's not necessarily the case, but a penny stock type of blue chip company. So a blue chip company that's fairly cheap. You can jump in with quite a few shares, and if you can't get out of a day or swing trade, you're more than happy holding it for the long term. If you have any great ideas about that, please let me know. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.